Hello everyone, this is my task sample one pitch SIT210, and I want to tell you guys about my project is quarantine tracking. About my problem, I want to solve the problem in the real life as the quarantine period when the people just going out for go just come from the coronavirus zone. During the COVID period, the isolation is very extremely important, and I want to avoid the situation that a epidemic returning and avoid the spread of disease and the deter protection. I want the people in quarantine protect these people around them. This is my problem in the real world. I want to tell you guys. And about the project target is my target is aim to people who have just come out the epidemic area and must be isolated for at least 40 days period, separate from the community. And the device will change the God to see if they are really in the quarantine room or they want to escape out of the room. If they going outside, the device will allow the manager and to immediately take them to the isolation area to avoid the risk of disease. And the quarantine check-in is will set up at the front door and look at the door. If the door have a movement, like someone inside, open it, then the system will alert to other people. And I have choose the two device here. One set up at the front door and the other one is kept by the manager. And this is my system. It includes the Argon and Raspberry two device, the two main device, and the other LED and buzzer and ultrasonic sensor. This is the distance sensor. The distance sensor with the Argon will set up the outside of the door and to check the door. If someone is going from outside, we need to turn it up to avoid the wrong alert. And if someone outside inside open the door and go outside, it will send the alert to the manager. And the LED and the buzzer will connect to the Raspberry and will make a sound to alert other people. And the Argon also send the email to the other device by IFTTT. Thank you for watching, and this is my project.